Hello innovators! In this tutorial, you will get an introduction to the Novation Brain developed by Novation Hub Private Limited. Novation Brain is the most important component of the all-in-one robotics kit as it will help you create interesting projects. Let's begin by understanding what the Novation Brain is all about. The Novation Brain is the microcontroller board developed by Novation Hub Private Limited. This board is developed as a replacement to the Arduino UNO board. It is capable of making all projects that can be made using Arduino UNO. Additionally, it has more features like inbuilt L29 3D motor driver IC and an inbuilt buzzer on the board which makes it better than Arduino UNO. It is a microcontroller board which can control various electronic components and devices. It can also be called the brain of electronic devices. It can read all input and then convert it into output efficiently. Let's see a brief pin description of the brain. This board has Atmega 8IC as microcontroller. Atmega 8IC is 28-pin IC which has flash memory, processing unit, and input-output ports inbuilt. It has 14 digital input-output ports. It has 6 analog input ports for taking analog signal input. It has a TX and a RX port which is in digital ports. It has a built-in buzzer which is connected internally on the board at digital pin number 4. It has a L29 3D motor driver IC connected on board which is not internally connected. We have to use jumper wires for connecting motors with the driver IC. It has an inbuilt RGB LED port for common cathode type RGB, whose pins are connected on digital pin numbers 5, 6, and 13 respectively, and common pin is connected on ground. Here we are using active high RGB. The power supply section of the board has 3.3 volt, 5 volt, GND into 2 VIN ports. The DC jack is used to power the board through a battery. It has a reset button and inbuilt LED connected with resistor. Novation Brain also has additional 5 volt, ground and VIN ports which makes it easy for the user to make connections on the board and power other components. It has CH340G IC which is used for USB to serial conversion. Let's see how to install Novation Brain in Arduino IDE. Follow the following steps to add the board in Arduino IDE software. This installation method requires Arduino IDE version 1.8.1 or greater. Open any browser and in the search bar type novation.ai. It will take you to the homepage of novation.ai website. Click on the shop icon. Then click on Novation All-in-One Robotics Kit. Scroll down and find How to install Novation Brain board. Now, copy the following URL link shown. Now open the Arduino IDE software. For programming the board, using the software, you need to add the board first. Click on File and go to Preferences. Now the Preferences page will open. You need to paste the link here in the dialog box open that you copied from the novation.ai. Then press OK. Now go to Tools and Boards. Then Boards Manager. Type CAD score in the search bar of the Board Manager. You will see the CAD score in the result. Now install this CAD score board. After installing this CAD score board, again go to Tools, then Boards. CAD code, and select NovBrain. Now, the board is ready to use and program. Let's see, how can we program the Novation Brain? To program the board, first, you need to connect the board with your PC with A to B USB cable. After that, go to Tools, then Port, and now select your port showing here. Now your board is ready to be programmed. If you want to make the projects from all-in-one robotics kit, then for that, the Novation Hub has added example codes along with the Novation Brain library, which you can directly open from the examples and upload it on the board and make connections accordingly, and your project will be working. To open an example, go to File, go to Examples, and now NovBrain. Now, select the example code of the project that you are making. The code will open. Now, you just need to make connections of your project and upload the code on the Novation Brain board. Hope you would have liked this tutorial. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe.